Possibility of general election being called for November is now being discussed among ministers, some of whom believe Simon Harris the Taoiseach could and should go to the country after the budget in October. We know it is his choice. We know the express plan is March. What do you think would now be wise?
I think what would be wise is to see all of the results coming in over the next week, to talk to candidates and get their feedback about what they think went well and how we need to take the direction from a policy perspective for the general election. What are we going to say to people about the vision for Ireland at a time? How are we going to describe the reality of Ireland today in terms of our economy, our social services, and how we can improve that? But what we are learning is that it is not radical visions of magic things like houses for €300,000 that absolutely nobody believes. It is substance, it is detail. I mean, look, the only Sinn Féin person actually who's having a good day today is probably Jonathan Dowdall in Portlaoise Prison, who stuck his house up on the market for €800,000, which is well over twice the price of what Mary Lou thinks is the price of a house in Dublin. Very unrealistic, but it goes to show you that people didn't buy that. People don't buy that sort of nonsense.